Hello students, today's class is EVS. Today we are going to read about the lesson food, which is chapter number 5. Hello students, look at the picture. What are the students doing here? The students are taking their lunch. So children, why are they eating? Without eating we cannot live. We need lot of energy to live, to do lot of work. So children, food is defined as any nourishing substance that is consumed by living organisms to stay strong and healthy. Now coming to the functions of food. Food helps us to grow strong and stay healthy. Children, how were you when you were very small? You were very small. You were crawling on the ground when you were in the first year of your life. But now you grown up. And you came to school and you are in class 1. Now coming to the second point. Food gives us energy to work and play. Children, when you come to the classroom, what all work you do? You will listen to the teacher, what teacher says. You try to understand and you will copy down the notes from the blackboard. And children, when you go to the playground in the games period, what do? You will play. So children, to do all these kinds of work like listening, writing or playing in the playground, we need energy. So, from where do we get energy? The food gives us energy. Now, coming to the third point, food provides the nutrition for our body. So, children, not only to do the work, even to live, we need to perform so many activities. Our body, it does so many functions like breathing, taking in air and giving out air, and next is eating the food and getting it digested in the stomach. So to do all the activities, even our body also needs food. That food is provided by the food. Now coming to the fourth point. We are all supposed to get the energy only from the food. So, if you do not eat food, we cannot live. So, we cannot live without food. Now, coming to the sources of food. So, children, in the previous slide, we were talking about the importance of food. So, this food, from where do we get? We get it from the plants and also from the animals. So children, what kind of food we get from the plants? We get fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses. Now coming to the food provided by the animal sources. Dairy products. So children, eggs, next meat. Now children, we will quickly revise once again what are the plant sources. The plant sources are fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses. Now coming to the fruits. So you can see so many kinds of the fruits here. So you can see the watermelon here, cantaloupe here, coconut here, lemon here, peach here, orange here, clementine here, pineapple here, mango, kiwi fruit here, cherries here, plum fruit here, apple fruit here, pear fruit here, grapes here and bananas here. So many kinds of fruits. Yummy, you all like it. Now coming to the vegetables. Now look at the picture. There are so many vegetables like bottle gourd, tomato, ladyfinger, cauliflower, capsicum, onion, carrot, bitter gourd, brinjal, ribbed gourd, spinach, pumpkin, green peas, ginger and mint. Now coming to the cereals and pulses. So cereals, you have 3 cereals here like wheat, maize and oats, and there are some more cereals like rice, bajra, etc. Now coming to the pulses, pea, lentil, chickpea, soybean and also red gram, green gram, black gram and Bengal gram. Now coming to the dairy products. So we get milk from the animals like cow, goat and buffalo. So now look at the milk here. So from milk we can make so many things, like we can make the ice cream, we can get the cheese, we can get butter, we can get curd, we can get paneer, etc. Now coming to the eggs. Birds like hens and ducks, they give us eggs. Eggs help us to grow. They will keep us strong. Now coming to the sources of meat. Some people eat the flesh of some animals like hens, goat and sheep. Now coming to the meals. So children, what do you mean by a meal? The food that we eat at a specified time is called as meal. So there are 3 main meals. So what are they? Breakfast, which we take at 8 o'clock in the morning, lunch, which we take at 12 o'clock in the noon, and dinner, which we will take at 8 p.m. in the night. Now coming to the breakfast, which you take in the morning around 8 a.m. Now there are so many things. So what breakfast you have today, you will tick them in the box. So children, as breakfast, what all you can take? You can take tea along with biscuits, and every day people should have a glass of milk along with their breakfast, and we can eat bread sandwich or bread butter, or next we can look at the egg here. You can make omelette with egg and you can have it along with chapati or the bread, and you can have your idlis and some more tiffin items in the breakfast are dosas, pesarattu, etc. Now coming to the lunch. So what things we can have in the lunch? We can have rice, chapatis, dal, salads, curd and vegetables. Now dinner. We can have dinner around 8 p.m. at night. So what all we can have? We can have pulao, parathas, mutton, chicken, vegetables and salads.